In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks from QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating the check inside QuickBooks Online and then printing it on your check stock. Before you begin, have your check paper ready and make sure your printer is working properly. Most businesses use voucher-style checks, which QuickBooks supports, but any compatible check stock will do as long as it matches your printer's orientation. First, let's create the check in QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, start by selecting the plus icon labeled New, then choose Check. This opens the check form. At the top, pick the bank account the funds will come from. This is important because it determines which ledger is affected and follows that account's check number sequence. Next, add the payee. If this is a vendor or individual you've paid before, QuickBooks will auto-fill their details. If not, you can type their name and QuickBooks will remember it for next time. Set the date to match when you want the payment recorded. Now complete the financial details. Use category details if you're recording a general expense like utilities or office supplies, and item details if you're paying for specific products or services you track as items. This choice helps keep your reporting accurate. Enter a clear description if you need context for future reference, and then type the exact amount. QuickBooks will automatically convert it to words on the printed check. Give everything a quick review to avoid mistakes. Typos on the payee line or the wrong bank account can lead to voids and reprints. When it all looks correct, click Save and Print. This records the transaction and moves you into the print workflow. Now let's print the check. Click Print Check to open your printer dialog. Before sending it to the printer, load your check stock into the tray. Make sure the paper orientation matches your printer's instructions so the check information lands in the right places. If your printer offers scaling or fit-to-page settings, set it to 100% to maintain alignment. When your paper is set and you're confident everything looks right, click Print to send the job to your printer. That's it. You've created the check in QuickBooks Online and printed it on your check stock. Keep your printed check secure, store your blank stock in a safe, dry place, and always double-check details before printing to save time and materials. If you follow these steps, you'll have clean, professional checks ready whenever you need them.